Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn last part of CRUD, that is delete. This code is from previous example of update, so I'm going to modify it to delete one particular document. Then we'll see how to delete multiple documents. So I'm going to delete my friend's document, so I will filter it with her name, and here it will be delete and underscore 1, and here I will pass the delete query, and let's execute. Okay, wait a second, this new value let me remove it, it's not required, and this one also I can remove. Now let's execute it, and this time we should get only 4 friends instead of 5, and you can see record of issue or document related to issue has been deleted. Now let's discuss about how to delete multiple document, and here instead of delete one, what I'm going to do here is delete many, and in the filter query I'm going to keep it blank. So let's save it and re-execute it, and this time it should delete all of these documents. Let's see. Yeah, we are not getting anything. That means it has already deleted. So thanks for watching.